the cops. Come on, boy, let me in. So, what you been eating? What you been eating, boy? Huh?
Weet-Bix.
Oh, what?
Weet-Bix?
Why does your breath smell like chocolate chip?
I have no idea.
This
Chocolate.
could be cocaine. Tell me, what have you been hiding under there? Very curious.
I've been trying to tell Weet-Bix.
I'm gonna kill you.
Sure you are.
Watch out. Oh. Oh. You laughing at me, boy?
No.
I'll show you something to laugh about. Go Pikachu! I said, go Pikachu! You're not gonna listen to me? Come on, give me your best shot. Bam! Come on. Wee!
My weapon.
Oh shit. Don't you dare do that, buddy.
Cookie!
Granita? Chocolate chip? Milk coffee? We're gonna catch you, boy.
Sure you are.
Ah!
Barry!
Listen to me! Listen now!
Barry's dead!
Leave it, please, boy. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
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 Yeah! Come on, you're coming with the police.
Go Bow Toys!
You're coming with the police.
Cookies! Where's your gun? Gun!
Ah! Don't you dare. You forgot to eat the cookies.
Cookie! Oh no.
Oh, you forgot to eat the cookies.
I don't care. I'm gonna eat them later. Later.
I like chocolate sauce. You want some more?
No thanks.
Yes.
Wait,
One more shot and I get underarm shot. Wait. Give me the gun, boy.
no!
Remember, you will go to jail if you shoot me one more time.
But you'll be dead.
Give it, buddy.
You're probably gonna shoot me though. Alright, here we go.
That one. Yeah, that's right, boy. Yeah.